Hey, how's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'll talk about the beauty of covered calls. So this is a portfolio update, and we closed at 131,000, but we've dipped to $128,000, $647.68. So it looks like we had quite a dip after hours. And let's take a look. So in the traditional IRA, we're down 0.6% today, but down 8.1% after hours. So in this account, we're down 8.7% in the past week, up 12% in the past month, 31% in the last 3 months, and that is year to date and all time. So in this account, I'll kind of touch a little bit on the covered calls. So here, these covered calls on TSLA, even though the total return is negative 18%, because TSLA has now tanked after hours, the value of those covered calls today are going to start returning a lot more. But we're not going to see that until tomorrow market open once the options are available. So it's not really updating live. In this account, we're up 29% on Palantir and 52% on TSLA. And let's go to this account over here. In the Roth IRA, we were down 1.6% today and 8.6% after hours. We are down 8% in the past week, up 11.5% in the past month, 15% in the last 3 months, 22% year to date, and 22% past year and all time. So in this account, we have more covered calls. So for me, this is the beauty that I find in covered calls is we don't have to get it perfectly right as far as the timing. As long as you believe that eventually the stock is going to somehow recover or come back around, had I been buying calls on TSLA, people who bought calls during the run up here, they're going to get wrecked tomorrow. Tomorrow market open, all those calls that people were buying here, they were buying calls from maybe $16, $17, $18, $19, $20 a share. And now, especially if they bought it short dated calls, they're getting crushed. And the short calls were getting crushed, what I was selling. See, in the past month, these were worth $5 each. So you multiply the $5 times 6. So these contracts were worth at one point around $3,500, $3,000, $3,500. And now they're only worth $1,700, which means I received in total, let's see, so to open, doesn't show there. Estimated cost, well, let's see, so I received $2.49. So I think now this is going to be a lot cheaper to close, because the purpose of these covered calls is to extract the value from the $1,700 that you see on the top right. So now, tomorrow market open, I think this is going to be half the price. It's going to be pretty cheap to close. Let's see, total percent. The Snow $100 put is down 6%. The Sentinel long call is up 25%. Celsius, we're down 46%. Soundhound down 43%. And in the shares, we're up 47% on Palantir, up 29% on TSLA, 5% on BITX, and 1% on NVDA. So here, in this account, we closed the CrowdStrike long call. So here we closed it for $650 per contract, and we paid around $500. Here it is. Yesterday we paid $510, and we received $650. That is a 27% return. So I wanted to lock in the profit. I'm not going to stay on that trade longer than I need to. So let's see, total return. The $60 put on NVDA, we're up 50% on it. And on Palantir, we're up 51% on this account. And I'm not sure if I went over the all-time on this one, but we're up 1.3% today. And here's the week, the month, 3 month, year to date, Look at that, 51% year to date. 26.4% in the past year, and up 19.7% all time. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on Twitter. So here, so yesterday I posted this. This was Palantir's, the Palantir Titan vehicle. And here I kind of was making a car guru's post about it and kind of combining different memes. But here, Billy's hater ass asking, "Hi, is this still available?" Yes. Not surprised. Not gonna lie, I'm sick. And of course, guys, another day, another partnership. And here is the partnership. All right. Good morning, everyone. It's time to lock the fuck in.
So just follow it with your eyes, okay? So just follow.
Here's the 27% gain. At first, I didn't want to close it. It was hard to close it, but I'm working on taking profits quicker on the trades. I don't want to see green trades turn into red just because of greed. And turns out that CrowdStrike did pull back after. So in hindsight, it was a good move, but I would do it again even if it kept going up. And here I'm talking about sometimes I don't know what you guys are posting about, but I'll still like to post like a proud grandparent. Mike talking about bicycles again, bless his heart. Like, Mind the Long Term posting about Roblox, but I've never used it. Like, Deep Valley 47 posting about horses. Like, Grogu talking shit about Robinhood bouncy house investors, even though I am one. Like,
enhance, enhance, enhance.
Just print the damn thing.
So apparently something I caught on this video at around the 7 minute
one of the biggest blockers
second mark. Let's go here.
Things. Everything I show you today is actually available on our AI.
So if you look at that paper, if you look at the paper behind him, right there, it's on the Twitter video. You can't really tell, but on the back, on the left, on that whiteboard, I asked him if he can confirm if it says PTFB on the whiteboard, standing for Pilly the fucking best. And Zoom and Enhance confirmed PTFB, Pilly the fucking best. Here, Enhance, PTFB. So guys, Pilly the fucking best confirmed by Palantir Tech employees, which is awesome. It's incredible, you know, that they've been engaging with the community, and it's awesome for them to be dispelling the black box rumors and the things that people talk about the company. They are able to actually show the world for themselves and not rely on analysts and other people who don't understand.
Our team members will reach out to you. So
sharing the
one of the
narrative.
biggest blockers I constantly see at companies looking to operationalize AI is how to deal with unstructured data.
So, I mean, if you guys have a chance, take a look at this video from Palantir. It's on their YouTube, but you can go on their Twitter page, and it'll be here as well. All right, guys. And with that, I'll give the shout-outs for the end of the video. And here is everyone who's been supporting the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys